In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a Facebook story on your account. So to do so, it is pretty easy, and if you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. To do so, just head over to create story here and then tap on this plus icon. And this will take you to your gallery. And now from here, you can choose either a photo, an image, or a video. For my case, I want to add an image, so I'll choose this. I don't want music, so I'll remove. But if you want to add music, just go ahead and tap music here and then add the song that you want. For instance, I can go ahead and say I want to add Never Give Up.
It might not happen today.
And if you select it, it will be added.
It might not happen today.
So for my case, I don't want it, so I'll remove it. I just want to upload the image. So once you're done, go ahead and tap on share. And now your story will be uploaded. And here it has been shared. So let's wait for it to be active. And here we go. The story has been shared with the public successfully. So that's how you upload or create a Facebook story on your account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.